Well, good evening, everybody, and welcome back to the Great Outdoors. We're looking at another couple product reviews right now. We're out on beautiful Rainy Lake this evening, and it's a gorgeous night. I got the birds chirping in the background. Looking to catch some fish. Before we get started, like and subscribe if you want to know more. But anyways, we'll get into it. So everybody's probably got these that you use. You know, these are your traditional nylon rod sock. Works great, super cheap. You know, a couple bucks at Bass Pro or any kind of other sporting goods store. But this evening, we want to check out these new ones for BUZBE. Got one of their new rod covers, both for a spinner and a casting rod. So stay tuned. We're going to take a look and see how they compare up to the traditional one we're all kind of used to. So this is pretty much how it comes, straight from BUZBE. I ordered this directly from them. The only difference is I took it out of the plastic sleeve. So let's open it and take a look. All right, well, at first glance, definitely a lot more sturdy material. I do like the edge stitching. It's got this nice clip up here if you happen to hang your rods, if you don't have them on a rack or any other kind of storage. It's got this nice kind of rubberized hand grip. There's even a patch of receiving Velcro on this side. They sell color coding that you could write on if you've kind of got individual rods, depending on what you use it. If it's your, your trolling rod, your casting rod, things like that. But overall, the material is really nice. It's real sturdy. It's got this retaining clip to clip to the handle on your reel. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw it on a rod and see how it works. All right, so let's give it a shot. I got my casting rod here, so I've got the casting sleeve. Left my terminal tackle on there. This is supposedly anti-snag material, and so let's give it a shot. All right, and that just fits right over your reel handle, and it's on. Now this is specifically designed to sit a little shorter on your rod, so that way if you do mount leave your terminal tackle mounted to your rod, you can actually see what you've got on there. But this material it's real sturdy. I mean, it's slid right in there. I really like the extra rubber hand grip for kind of like that extra control. It didn't feel like it was going to slip out of my hand like the traditional nylon ones that I've used in the past. Overall, pretty well pleased with this. Let's grab something with a hook and see if we can actually get it to snag on there. All right, so I've got one of the custom lures that we've talked about in other videos. Take a look at those if you're looking to a little deeper dive in those. Let's take a look. So it's got 3 trebles. All right, so it's snagging a little bit, but it's coming out real easy. I know I've gotten them snagged in those other ones, and it's kind of a real pain to get them out. So even though it does catch, it pulls out real easy. So if you do happen to kind of snag them a little bit, you're not really going to run into any troubles trying to get it out. So I got the spinning one. Slides right in. Perfect. I really like the wide extra grip. It slipped on there real nice. Had no issues with it. So overall, super pleased with these. They do have multiple colors. They've got black, kind of a gray, I believe a little off-white. There's a few more. And then as far as for the Velcro patches that I was talking about earlier, those come in all white that you can write on with a Sharpie, or they do have color if you want to color code your gear. BUZBE did not sponsor us for this. This is just something that I wanted to do because I was in the market for some new rod covers. And yeah, I'm overall very well pleased with them. And for now, I definitely recommend. Fish on.
Oh, he's right under the boat.